going on, guys? So today we're gonna do a little tool review on this new to me, this Matco tool extended reach serpentine belt master kit. I got this off the Matco truck for I paid $209 for 67 cents, so 210 bucks for this master toolkit serpentine belt. Okay, here's actually the box where it comes in. Here's the part number. Part number is gonna be MESBT17. Whoever wants the part number, here it is. Pause the video and look at it. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is a rebranded tool, but I'm okay with that. And many Matco tools, they rebrand most of the tools, if not all of them, but I'm okay with that. AKA the sticker chuck. So we're gonna go ahead and open this box up. Okay. We're not gonna need this. And it comes in this black molded case. Matco tools, as well with the part number. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. And here's actual product. Okay. Just here's the long reach wrench. Turns 180 degrees. Couple different positions. Okay. So this is the long reach wrench. Okay, and it brings all these attachments. The clips here. Clips here to the wrench. Ratcheting wrench. Okay, it goes all the way from 10 millimeter on 3-inch drive all the way to 19 millimeter. It doesn't skip a size. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18, and 19. All of them on a 3-inch drive. Okay. Screws right into place. It brings these little wrench attachments. Brings a 13 millimeter, 14 millimeter, and it brings a 15 millimeter. Okay. Here's the 3/8 attachment that goes on the wrench for the little wrenches. Okay, it only ratchets on one side, so I guess you could flip it and wrench on the other side. Move it on the other side. You want to tie it or loose. Okay, that's that. This attachment, and also brings 2 other attachments. Well, 3 with this one. It will be a 1/2-inch drive attachment. Goes on the long reach handle or wrench, whatever you guys want to call it. I'm not a tool expert, so correct me if I'm wrong. I'm sure someone's gonna correct me. Attach it here. So, like for example, working on this 2500, the belt tension gear is a 1/2-inch drive, so we can reach over there and just break loose the belt or the tension on the belt and break it loose. And it brings 3/4 inch attachment, I guess, for the bigger end trucks. Okay. Pretty cool set. Okay. That's that. I'm sure I'm gonna be using this a lot. It's gonna make my life easier. Okay. You are. Again, part number is MESBT17 from Matco Tools, aka Sticker Truck. Thank you for watching.